Hello Axie Infinity holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time again, I'm talking about Axie Infinity, that what's going on, what surprise changes occur. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, if you're new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the right now price of Axie Infinity, so 120 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Axie Infinity. On the side, you can see the last 1 hour changes is negative 0.07% last one day only, guys. Yesterday the Axie Infinity price pump for short time, guys. That's not mean, guys, that is a permanent dump. You know what, I also predicted in Axie Infinity that in the last week of October, possibilities, guys, that the price start pumping, guys. It's the last week of October, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion about Axie Infinity? Also share in the comment box, saying my recommendation for all of you is that they're just hold, guys. Absolutely. For instance, guys, if you decide to sell in a right now situation, so that's bait, because the changes is negative, and if the changes is negative, so obviously the price will dump. So guys, just hold and don't forget to subscribe channel for more update and news videos.